art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Donald Duck, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with the hair right in the middle on the top. So on the left hand side we're going to curve this line up towards the middle, and then from that point we're just going to arch this back around and down. From that point again we're going to curve this out towards the side, and then we're going to bring that over and across towards the middle. Again, now we're going to curve this further down towards the bottom, arching that back in. And then one more time, just curving this down and then over towards the left-hand side. We're going to leave a small gap coming over on the left-hand side. We're going to arch this line around and then down for the top of the head. And then we're going to come across doing the exact same thing on the right-hand side, just ending that at the same height. Let's close off the top of the head. So from this point on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line across, and then we'll come over on the right-hand side, replicating that. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. And then underneath, we're going to curve this line out and then through. Let's round this out now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And now we're going to draw in the beak from here. So starting on the top back on this line, we're going to curve this up, down, in towards the middle, curving that across. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. So down, starting to dip that back up, blending that together in towards the middle. Now right in the middle, we're going to curve this line over. Let's draw in a small corner bracket now on both sides. Now on the inside here, we're going to curve this line out, connecting it to that line. And then we're going to continue to bring this around, curving this out, up, and through towards the center. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now up above for the eyes, on the left-hand side where it dips down here, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Now coming in for the pupil, we're going to curve this around, creating a nice big oval, tucking that in underneath. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in our highlight. So right on the top here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we're just going to color in this pupil black. Let's come down now. Underneath for the mouth, we're going to draw in a small letter V right in the middle. We're going to come out. We're going to draw in two diagonal lines, joining in towards the middle, leaving a gap. And then we're going to close this off with a slight curved line, flattening that out. Let's move in towards the middle again, replicating that pattern. Two diagonal lines coming in. And then again, just closing this off on the bottom. Let's move up and draw in the hat. So right on the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this around and through. And then we're going to continue to bring this underneath, bringing that over and then down. Now on the top left, we're going to curve this line out and in towards the right for the hat. And then moving across again, stepping up on that line, just arching this around and then back in. Let's draw in the small ribbon on the right-hand side. So we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal. We're going to draw this diagonal line coming up. We'll bring this out again. And then again from that point, just bringing that back up. Let's move underneath for the bow. So right in the center here, let's draw in a circle. Closing off the rest of the bow tie now, we're going to curve this line down and then in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out on both sides. Now for the torso, let's curve this line out on the left and right hand side. We're going to end this at the same height. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's close off the body underneath this with an arch line. Now let's draw on the arms. So coming up, we're going to draw on a small diagonal line coming through. Let's move underneath, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Now let's close this off with another curved line. Let's move down. We're going to create a stripe now. So we're going to draw in 2 lines, leaving an even gap there. We'll do the exact same thing on the right arm as well. Now let's move out for the wrist. We're going to draw in 2 small diagonal lines, ending those at the same height. Now let's draw in the thumb. So we're going to curve this around, bringing that in. Now for the pinky, we're going to come down. We're going to bring this around and in, tucking that through. And now where these gaps are, we're going to continue curving this out and through. And then again, as we move up, just arching this around and then back in, connecting that to the thumb. And then inside the palm here, we're just going to draw in a small curved line, curving that across. And now let's draw in the leg. So on the inside here, we're going to curve this out and over on both sides, ending that at the same height. Stepping out, we're going to bend the knee, curving that out and down. Now from here underneath, we're going to bring this line over and in. Again, bringing this further out and then through. And then one more time, curving this out, and then we're going to connect this on a diagonal towards the leg. And that is it. That's how you draw Donald Duck. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.